Hello, my name is Juan Vasquez, and I'm going to show you how to use the Groovy Environment Manager to install Groovy on Linux. As you can see, I've got a browser open to gvmtool.net. This is the site that has some information on how to get GVM installed on your environment. So we'll open a terminal window. And we'll run this command. And then we'll hit enter. As you can see, this is a brand new install of Linux, so I don't have all of the tools, but luckily the OS is kind enough to give me the command I need to install curl. Okay, now that we've got curl installed, let's go ahead and rerun that curl command. I'll hit the up arrow twice, hit enter, and we have downloaded it. It says here we should open a new terminal or run the following in the existing one. I'll go ahead and just open up a new terminal. As you'll see, we're greeted with a message from GVM stating that the Java home environment variable is not set. This is required for both Groovy and GVM to function correctly. I don't currently have a JDK installed on this Linux machine, so I'll have to go get one. So we will go to the Oracle site, Downloads, Java for Developers, grab the JDK, scroll down, accept the agreement, and download the Linux distribution. So while that's downloading, I'm going to create a directory to house it. And then change to that directory. Okay, looks like our download's complete. Let's go ahead and extract the contents into that folder we just created. Okay, extract. Completed successfully, so we'll go ahead and close this. Let's verify that the directory is there, and it is. We'll change into that directory. I'm going to grab the path because I'll need it in just a moment. So now that we've got the directory there with our JDK, we need to update our bash RC file. I'm going to use gedit, as I have not installed any other text editors on this instance of Linux. We'll heed the warning and leave those lines at the end of the file and type export Java home, and we will provide it the path. Now that we have the path in there, let's save our file. Close our terminal windows and open a new terminal to pull in the export variable we just set. You'll notice that we weren't greeted with any messaging, so that indicates that things are wiring as we expected. So let's go ahead and run GVM. Okay, looks like everything's working, so let's install Groovy. Do we want to set this as default? Yes. Okay, now that we've got Groovy installed, we can verify that it is indeed working. And it shows us that it is. Now that we have a working installation, we can do a couple things. We can run the Groovy shell, which will allow us to type in Groovy code and see the results. Okay. Okay, in order to end the shell, we can hit Control D. I'll clear the window here. Next, we can run Groovy console. Now that we have the Groovy console open, we can execute some Groovy code. And we'll hit this icon to run it. And there you have it.